Hi there, thanks for watching. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some nice text that I have been using for my capture pages, but of course you can put these, kind of nice graphics, of the text that you create inside your emails, or use them as banners or any kind of ads. Somebody was asking here in the group how to do that, and last month I actually created a video that that allows you to do that using the built-in graphics creator right here, graphics maker right there. And I created a video last month. Where was it? This video here that shows you how to create nice.
Hi, thanks for watching. I'm just going to
do texts, using the graphics maker, our built-in graphics creator. So I was just going through how to do that, and setting the shadow and stuff like that, and putting in some nice colors and stuff like that. And then you can immediately download it and add it to your capture pages, or you could probably put this into your HTML emails that you send out as solo ads, or to your mailing list and stuff like that, or put them onto banner ads, overlay them over the top of pictures, post them onto Facebook, on your timeline and stuff like that, or into money-making groups and stuff. So we've got this built-in graphics maker for the paid members. However, this video, since I've already done that video, I'm gonna make this video is going to show you how to do that with the free version of Keynote. Well, Keynote is basically free anyway. I'm talking about you can either have the download version, which is for Mac only, and I think Windows people cannot use Keynote. If you see where my mouse is, right down at the bottom here, Keynote is only available for Mac. However, if you use the online version for Keynote, go to iCloud, and then you can log into iCloud. If you don't have an iCloud user, or just create one, just join iCloud for free. If you might need an Apple ID or whatever. I can't remember how that works, but obviously you can just sign up for an Apple ID for free, and then you can also log in via iCloud and use their tools inside iCloud. But the online version of Keynote, which is right here, is basically the same as the desktop version. I prefer to use the desktop version. I don't know, just because it's what I've been using and I'm used to it. But basically, they're almost the same. So just load the Keynote, and I'm just going to try and create a kind of a similar look to the text that I've been creating on my capture pages. So where's the there? So in the group, I've got these capture pages here that I'm posting, and actually these bits of text were not created in Keynote. I used another software for that. What did I use? I used where is it? Where was it? That's right. I actually used Usign, okay, which is a paid tool. But I just want to show you how to do a similar kind of style of text using Keynote, because it's free, and I'm just showing you how to use a free tool here. So open up Keynote. You can start with a blank template. So you're able to start with some text elements anyway, or you can add a new one. But just mouse click over the text element and I don't know, just type anything. I don't know. I'm not going to. No, I mean, obviously in your case, you would spend more time on thinking about what you're going to type, but I just want to show you roughly how I'm doing all this. So you can keep the original font, or you can select the text and change the font to whatever you want. You've got loads and loads of fonts to choose from, or you can do different fonts, like the title font. Hold on a minute, sorry. Well, the first line could be different, for example. And what I often tend to sort of like to do is to make each line a similar kind of width, sort of size, you know, so it kind of makes them look like the text becomes kind of like a box. This is particularly for capture pages, when I'm putting it on a capture page, because if you look at the capture pages here, for example, you know, the text itself is kind of like set in a kind of a box. So I tend to kind of like try and make the width of each line kind of similar in size. That's basically what I'm trying to achieve here. But as I say, I mean, you know, you got loads of different fonts to choose from. But I think for the moment that's what I would rather go with. Okay, so then also next what we need to do is when you select the text, you got some options here, and I just go with shadow. Like I say, I didn't use this particular tool to make the text here, but hold on a minute. So I'm just trying to do my best to create whatever, you know, see if it works, but it may not be so good. But anyway, you know, you just need to play around with this. And then you can put change the color. Something like that. Yeah. So now if I was using the desktop version, I would simply be able to just copy that like that, you know, just simply copy the text element like this, and then I would be able to send it straight into an image editor, but I'm not sure if the online version allows me to do that, but I'm just going to try. If not, I'll suggest something else, but like I say, I mean, I don't use the online version myself, and the only reason I'm using it now just to demonstrate to you guys is because I know that there are Windows users watching this video, so that's why I would use that. But out of choice, I wouldn't use this personally, because I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to export this as an image unless I take a screenshot, but then that takes the screenshot of the background. I just want to keep the background transparent. So I'm going to try that. And I'm going to open up my image editor. You could open up any image editor. I'm going to just see if this works. It may not work. Doesn't seem to work. No, I can't seem to paste. No, I can't. So anyway, what you're going to have to do then, because from the desktop version I'm able to just copy directly from the Keynote the text and take and paste it straight into an image editor, and it will work with any image editor from the desktop version. But with the online version it doesn't seem to work. So what you need to do is to maybe take a screenshot, but in order to do that, you'd probably want to set the background color to exactly what the background color is of your capture page. So if it's a black color, or you know, whatever editor you're using on your capture page, or if you're using it as a banner, or if you're sending this out in an email, then it'll probably be just a white background, and you could just go with that as it is. Or you could just put in a shape and use that as a background. And then send that to the back. Make sure it's central with the text, so that the text is central on the background. And then if you want, you know, you could change the color of the background to anything you want. You've got a lot more choice. Hold on a minute. Actually, the online version doesn't seem to give you that much choice, but or you can use this. Oh yes, they do. Okay, you get plenty of choice. So you know, you can change the colors, do whatever you want, change it however. Totally up to you. And then maybe go to, for example, Gazo, which I mentioned in my previous video. Gazo, which is a screen capture software, and you can download the screen capture, or if you have your own already, you can use that. It's up to you what software you use to capture. So let me just show you what Gazo does. I'm just going to grab Gazo. You get two pieces of software. You get the screen capture, which takes a static image of your screen, or you have the animated GIF option, which will take a screencast, but it will convert it into an animated GIF. So for this demonstration, I'm going to show you what this one does. For some reason, oh okay, that's fine. So then notice my mouse is now kind of like a crosshair, whatever it's called, and then I can just grab like that, and then that takes the snapshot, and now that's an image. So I can either download that, save to my desktop, or I can then upload it, or just host it here. If you're on a paid if you're paying for Gazo, you could just simply host it here, and it'll remain here for as long as you keep your account. But I would recommend taking it away from here, just in case you don't know what you're going to do with Gazo in the future. So you might want to download that and host it somewhere more secure, and then just add that to your other images, or to your capture page, or send it out in an email or something. But if you're sending this out in an email, you might want to change the background, because email backgrounds are usually just white. So you might want to just take a snapshot of a white background, because that would look better on an email, I suppose. But it's totally up to you. And then when you send that out on an email, the white background of the email will just blend in, so it'll look better. But it's up to you. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope that was useful, and I'll do some more tutorials on on some other free tools down the road. But hope that was useful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.